Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to hard reset the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now this can be very useful if you want to wipe out all of your data or information stored on this device, or you're having some errors where your Redmi Note 15 Pro is unresponsive or freezing, or in situations where you cannot remember your password, PIN or pattern for your Redmi Note 15 Pro. In any of these cases, hard resetting your Redmi Note 15 Pro can be very useful, and the way you do it is to first of all turn off your Redmi Note 15 Pro, and to turn it off you want to turn over to the right hand side and then just tap on the power button and the volume up button together to get to the power menu. So tap on the volume up button, which is this button at the top over here, and then the power button. Make sure the screen is actually on, and then just tap on both buttons together. And now you have the option to power off your Redmi Note 15 Pro, so just swipe over to the power off. Once the phone is completely turned off, you want to proceed to press on some key combination to now hard reset or put the Redmi Note 15 Pro on recovery mode. So what you want to do is to turn over to the right hand side one more time and then just long press on the power button and the volume up button again, and then once the screen turns on, you want to release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. So we're going to do that together now. So first off, you want to press on the power button and the volume up button together, and then once the screen turns on, release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. As you can see from over here, I'm still pressing on the volume up button and I've released the power button. Now just keep on holding until the phone goes into recovery mode at this particular point. And now as you can see, we are now on recovery mode. To hard reset the Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to use the volume up and the volume down button to navigate, while using the power button to select any of the options over here. So we want to select on the wipe data option, so use the volume down button to scroll down and then select that with the power button over here. And now to wipe all data, you want to use the volume down button again to select that option, and then use the power button to click. And as you can see from the top, all data will be wiped out. So tap on the power button to select that option, and now the hard resetting process has begun. Once it is completed, you want to select on the go back to main menu with the power button, and then just select on the reboot option with the power button again. Select on reboot to system and then give it a couple of seconds. And after about a minute or two, we are now being taken back to the initial setup page of the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So you can go ahead and now set up your Redmi Note 15 Pro from start to finish one more time. Keep in mind that during the setup process, you will also be required to enter your Gmail or Google account that has been signed into this device previously, so that you can complete the setup process. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.